Hello, this is Tom Janishevsky from Brandon School's Technology Department. Just kind of wanted to go over how to use Zoom, how to get started. You should get um, an invite link sort of like this. It can be distributed in a couple different ways, but basically it's going to come from your teachers, and you just click on that link. And as long as you have the Zoom extension installed, which our devices do, and it's pretty easy to get if you're using your own device. Um, Basically, when you get to this point, make sure you type in the full name of the student, and then you just hit join. You should see your video right here. It's just a preview. Then you're going to want to choose join video. And you'll be put into a waiting room where your teacher will be able to choose when to admit you. I'm going to go ahead and do that on my other screen here. Should show connecting once they admit you. You'll hear that chime and you'll be in the meeting. Two things to note. This is how you stop the video. Like if you don't want your screen to be shown to anybody, you just click on that. That's your microphone so you can be heard. So you want to make sure that these are both on when you're trying to communicate and show yourself to the teacher. So check those first. If you're having issues, make sure that those are not deselected. There's this participant tab down here, which will show everybody who's in that meeting, as well as the teacher. And this is where you can change your name if needed. So you would just go over the top of your name and just hit rename. There's also a chat feature down here for whatever reason. If someone's not able to hear you, or if you want to send a message to the teacher, you can type here and just send. And that's basically all there is to getting started with it. If you have any issues, just make sure you pass those on to the teachers so they can get with us for any assistance. Hope you have a good rest of the day.